writing would be great.
Yeah.
Now,
Wash your hands next time. Yeah, I reckon that might be an integrating thing, I think. As long as, can you read your writing?
yes.